Today in the shop, we're going to diagnose a 2016 F150 with a check engine light on. I'm going to be using 4Scan Lite on an iPhone along with an OBD2 MX Plus adapter today for diagnosis. It's going to take just a minute here for it to establish network communications with all the modules on the vehicle and pull all the codes.
A few moments later.
We have a 2016 F150 with a 3.5 liter engine. Let's see what we have for codes in it. And we have a P0113 intake air temperature sensor circuit high, and that's referring to high voltage on the circuit, not high temperature. Let's take a quick look at the PID and see what our intake air temperature sensor is actually reading. We're going to go to PCM, and I'm going to select the intake air temperature sensor. And I'm going to take the voltage and the actual reading of the sensor, and I'm going to change that from Celsius to Fahrenheit because, well, America! Let's see what our sensor is actually reading. And we're reading 5 volts and 40 below. And that's what an intake air temperature sensor reads if you unplug it. So I'm guessing we've got an open circuit here. Let's get the hood open and take a look. We have a broken wire at the intake air temperature sensor. Looks like a mouse or something's been chewing on it. Squirrel! We're going to install a new pigtail on the intake air temperature sensor, clear the codes, and retest, and that should take care of all our problems. If you found this helpful or interesting, please click the like button down below. I got a lot more great stuff coming up, so please subscribe. And as always, have a great week.